back to another round of the workshop. For today, I will be introducing the Black Light Challenge, where I only will be painting with fluorescent colors and neon colors. To determine our theme for the second challenge today, we will be pulling from themes from a hat. And it looks like our theme is lizard. So we know our supplies, we know our theme for the challenge today, so now it's time to determine what our second twist of the season is. And it looks like our second twist of the season is an extra canvas, which means I will be doing a second project at the last minute, which means I have to bring out the hat full of themes and draw another one. And it looks like we have cyberpunk. Two very inspiring themes. I'm really looking forward to this project today, so why don't we hop in and get started. My double creation round is officially completed. So let's talk about the pieces. Very first piece was the lizard. This is one of my favorite pieces of all 4 seasons of the show. And I'll tell you why. I really focused on the details. So looking at the lizard skin and trying to mimic that the best I can. Lots of different textures, lots of different colors, and really focusing on shadows and contrast. I made the decision to make it a black background just to pull out all those colors when you put it in the black light. As far as the second project, it was fun to make. I was a little limited on trying to express what I was trying to say. I really wanted to make this character part of the action in the piece, but because of how small it was, I decided to just focus on the character herself and focusing from the neck up. If you want to find out more about these pieces, please visit my Instagram page or visit mindtripstudio.com.